how to log in into Goodbudget app. Alright, so you are ready to dive into the budgeting with Goodbudget. Awesome choice. Let's quickly run through how to log in. First things first, you have got the Goodbudget app open right. Let me open mine. Once you're inside, you will see an option for the login. At the first, tap on it. Then simply fill up your credential, which is your household name or email and the password. Let me fill mine. After you're done, simply tap on login. And just like that, you are in. Pretty easy, huh? So now we're looking at the Goodbudget home screen. All ready to start managing your money like a pro. If you ever forget your password, no worry. Just look for the forget password link right below the login button on that first screen. Tap on it and Goodbudget will guide you through the resetting process. That's it. You are logged in and ready to go. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.